Hello, my beautiful people. So, I'm going to try to get through a few of these this morning so that you have them because I thought, well, if I do one a day, then that's like 24 days you got to wait to get these. And then you can't do a rune reading because you're like waiting. So, I'm going to try to do as many as I can before I have to do other stuff. And then I have to go to work. So, the second rune in the rune alphabet is Uraz. It's pronounced either Uraz or Uraz or and its literal meaning is bull, wild bull. So remember, Fehu was like domesticated cattle, because you were wealthy and you could own land and all that. Uraz is actually a wild bull, and in the Norse, the word translates to aurochs, which were they're extinct now, but they're these like wild bulls that were like all over the place in the 17th century. And these animals symbolized power, strength, um, untamed nature, and fertility. So so you have the domesticated calm, prosperity, and now you have wild rage, like wild bull, right? So raw primal strength, growth and transformation, health and healing, wildness not untamed, determination and willpower. So in some readings, Uraz can be a really great stone. Talking about your like, you know, your power and stepping into your power and using that power to like get through a bad situation. But it can also mean like, being stubborn and just you know going against the grain and being difficult, right? And like a difficult situation. So it really like runestones often, if you do a one pull and you pull this as a single stone, that's going to have a different meaning than if you pulled it in perhaps like a Celtic cross or a three Norns reading. So it really just depends on the reading, how this strength, how this raw, primal strength, how that will play out in your reading. So some journal prompts, and of course I will paste these for you in the chat below. What are you experiencing in your life? What's going on? Do you have growth in your life? What are the challenges? What are the obstacles? And where are your strengths and where do you need maybe support, right? Uh, like, are you going through some kind of transformation? And if you are, what do you need? And, where are you lacking? We would all like to think that we're perfect, but we aren't, of course. So when we go through something, we need different things, right? If you're going through something emotional, you might need a friend that you can trust. If you're going through, a battle with, I don't know, your kid's school, you might need strength and you might need tact, right? And maybe that's not something that's natural to you. So think about situations in your life where you feel stuck and you need drive, or you feel like there's this uncontrolled rage that if you don't control it, things are going to get bad because you've not acted appropriately, right? So that is what the Uraz stone is, and no popcorn in my underpants today. So that's good. I checked before I came on here. I'm wishing you all the best in light and love. Take care. Bye bye.